안녕하세요. 제 이름은 디샨다입니다. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today we are unboxing my PetTreater box for April 2018. I will leave all the information down below about PetTreater. But before I get started, let me let you know, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers for watching. I'm very close to 1,000. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, but I will announce that on a later date. All right, let's get into PetTreater. PetTreater is a monthly subscription for your pet. They have subscriptions for dogs as well as cats. They have this right here is the big standard subscription for the month, but they also have a mini subscription, like a small one. If you have one dog and you don't want to get a lot of like toys and treats for your pet, you can go ahead and get the mini version of the PetTreater subscription. I believe that is $12.99 a month for the mini. I believe this one is $19.99 a month, maybe. I think I do a yearly, is it a yearly subscription? I can't remember. All the information will be down below about PetTreater. But I think this one, it might be $24 a month, I think. And you get toys and treats for your dog. And you also get something for the human. So that's really cool that the human gets something as well. They also have subscriptions for dogs and cats. I know the PetTreater Mini, they have a cat subscription also. So if you have a cat, you can get one for your cat. All right, let's get started. My dog, Romeo, he's small. He's a Shih Tzu. He is in his crate right now because I was on the phone, so I had to put him away. Otherwise, he would bark and whatnot. So he's not around right now. But this is, whoa, this box is chocked full of things. That's what I like about PetTreater. You always get quite a few toys and treats for your dog. This is my second time getting this box. And by the way, this box, I just found out recently that this company is in the same state in which I live. They're actually not far from the city that I live. They may be a couple of hours away, but it's still kind of neat. All right, let's get started. First thing I see are these treats, and these are Quiet Moments Calming Aid from NutraVet. They are wheat-free, quality products for over 20 years, plus melatonin. It helps reduce stress and tension. Great for storms, fireworks, travel, and grooming. 30-day supply, 75 soft chews. That's what that looks like. And look at the little, that looks like a Yorkie on the front. That's a cute dog. I'm glad that I got these because today's Friday the 13th. Tomorrow's Saturday. And here in Tennessee, it's going to storm all day. And my dog, he gets kind of scared during a storm sometimes. And he's very hyper. So I'm going to try to give him one of these tomorrow to see if it calms him down. Also, I can give this to him also when I take him grooming. Not tomorrow, but next week I take him to the groomers. So he can. I'm hoping this will work. This is what the other side looks like, in case you want to see ingredients and all of that. One thing about PetTreater that I like, that I will tell you, that all the treats that you will get are all made in the United States or Canada. They never give you anything that's made in China or overseas. And I'm very picky about what I give my dog. I try my hardest to give my dog food and treats that are made in the United States. So that's awesome. I'm excited about these. I hope and pray that these work, because my dog, he definitely needs these because he's so hyper. So that's awesome. Next thing I got is this toy. Oh, this is awesome. By the way, how PetTreater works is you kind of fill out a profile for your dog or your cat. But let's talk about the dog first. If you have a small dog, a medium-sized dog, or a large dog, PetTreater will send you toys and treats that accommodates the size of your animal. So I have a Shih Tzu. Bichon Frise mix. So my dog is about 11 pounds, okay? So everything that I'm getting is for a small dog, by the way. This is from Mammoth. This is the Flossy Chews cloth. It's a bone, as you can see. It's kind of made of rubber. And it's got this rope that's intertwined in it. So this is cool because this is something for him to chew on, which my dog does really good about chewing on his toys. I've had him for 4 years since he was a baby, so he doesn't really chew like on cords and shoes and things like that. And this is what the other side of that Mammoth toy looks like, by the way. So yeah, this is really neat. I'm happy to get this. Very cool. And it's durable as well. He's not gonna chew. You gotta have some strong jaws to chew through this. Next up, I have a squirrel. This is from Fat Cat. This is Squeakazoid's stuffing free dog toy. So there's no stuffing, like none of the stuffing that's inside of it. Stuffing free. There are 4 squeakers in here. And this is what the toy looks like. This is the squirrel. He's lime green. He looks like that. This is what the tag looks like there, the Squeakazoids. And do you open? It opens up and it tells you a little bit about the toy. Information there. You can, pause that if you want to. Here's the other side of that brochure from Fat Cat. And let's see, there are 4 squeakers. Here's 1. Here's 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. My dog's gonna have fun with this. You know, this isn't a squirrel. This is a beaver, right? Look at the tail. That's not a squirrel, that's a beaver. I said it was a squirrel, my bad. But it's cute. I like it. His name is Bully. He's Bully the Beaver. He's got like a slingshot and some lunch money, so he's up to no good. This is awesome. Stuffing free is good. All right. Next up, we have, what is this? Oh, how cute! This is from Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations, Lily tested and Callie approved. This is a cookie. Look at how cute it is. It's a flour cookie. By the way, this is the company that made the cookie. It looks like it's handmade. It looks like it's homemade. Look at that. That's so adorable. This is the other side there, what that looks like. Oh my goodness, all the ingredients and everything. So, yeah, this is 3 cheese pleasers is what it's called. And it's got some good ingredients, like it's got flour, cheddar, Colby cheese, oatmeal, chicken. Yeah, this is good. This is a nice little treat for him. Awesome. Let me put that there. This is jam-packed. What is this? This is something. Oh, look, this is for the human. See, it says PetTreater for the human. So this is something for me. What is this? It says, this is what it is. It came like this. It says, Joy Marengo water filter. It's a water filter. It looks like, look at that. I can't tell what that is. And I don't have my scissors in here. This is taped really good. I don't have my scissors in here to open this. Let's see if I can though. But no. Nope. Hold on. I think I got it. All right, I have it open. It's taped really good. Let me get this off of there. All right. I need to figure out what this is. There is a card in here. I should look at the card, huh? All right, so this opens up like that, as you can see. It looks like it's a water filter. Joy Mangano water filter. See that? It's a water filter. Yep. It's dishwasher safe. And yep. See that? That's what it looks like. Interesting. I'm going to have to read up on this. On this water filter. That's kind of neat though. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Thank you so much, PetTreater, for the water filter. That's interesting. Here's the card, by the way. I should look at it. This is what the card looks like there, the front of it. And the lucky dog that is the pick of the litter is Lilo. And there's Lilo right there. Got that? So if I take a picture of Romeo next to the PetTreater box, he can get featured on the card. That's kind of cool. All right, a couple more things. This right here is rice chips, snack treats for dogs made with real brown rice. This is from Loving Pets for all dog sizes. That's what the tube looks like. And as you can see, that's what it looks like inside of there. The American flag is there, telling me that this is made in the United States. You probably can't tell because of my camera angle, but these are the ingredients and things that are in these treats right here. Made in the USA. I like that. Not a lot. Only 2 ingredients. That's brown rice and rice flour. That's it. Awesome. I'm glad to get these rice chips, rather. And there's one more thing in here. Oh, okay. This is a travel bowl. This is from Fresh Go Pet. Yeah, Fresh Go Pet. That's what that looks like, the tag there. Here's the other side of the tag. And this is what the travel bowl looks like. It has a little hook there. And it also has a zipper. So I can unzip this like so. And inside is this. So we have this side here for like the bowl. And this side here for like his food maybe. So that's kind of neat. It's a travel bowl. Maybe that water filter is for my dog to give him some water, I'm thinking. Because that's what this water filter, that's what I would do with this. I would use it if we were out camping somewhere or outside and I needed to filter the water so that he's not drinking any nasty water. That's what that water filter is for, I believe. That's what I would use it for, though. That's kind of cool, though, that a pet subscription box would give me a water filter. I'm still kind of in awe of that. But anyway, I digress. That's everything in my PetTreater. Let's review right quick. I got this water filter right here. That's interesting. I got the Fresh Go Pet Travel Water and Food Bowl. I got these rice chips from Loving Pets, which is awesome. I got these Quiet Moments Calming Aid shoes that I'm definitely going to try tomorrow and definitely next week when I take him to get his grooming. Oh my goodness. I hope and pray that works. We got the beaver, not the squirrel. The stuffing free beaver with these 4 squeakers in them. And we also got from Mammoth these the Flossy Chews Bone. And last but not least, this cute little cookie from Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations. Like I said, guys, that is everything in this month's PetTreater for April 2018. Do you get PetTreater? If you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got because you may have gotten something different depending on the size of your dog. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Again, thank you to my new and my old subscribers. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나